couple of things. Last night, the goal was to, Mr. Carruthers asked us again to make sure that we touched on four different things he wanted us to hit on. And so as leaders, as we're talking to people and they're getting these sit downs scheduled, these are probably four questions or four things we want to make sure we can cover. Now, the leaders, of course, will know this already. And here they are right here. Now, it wasn't, I just put in here, what is a sit down? That wasn't part of it. But when we're talking sit downs, I've been involved for a while, so I don't want to assume that everyone else knows this. So we talked about what a sit down was last night. And there's different types, one-on-one sit downs. I know I've got a couple of new people. I'm going to be assisting them doing a 2-on-1 sit down with them. And although I'm going to let them take the picture and send to Mr. Carruthers, that's still a form of a sit down, one-on-ones, 2-on-1s. But the other thing I wanted to share is he said, hey, look, let's make sure that we have people understanding how to book an appointment / sit down, how to do the presentation and close. Now, here's the one we touched on last night as well, but some of us are newer, may not even be familiar with this. He says, the way he put it to us, he said, whether you want to make $500 or make, unlimited amounts of income, he said that associates need to begin to learn that if you were my attorney story, because it just shows so much value in the membership. And then the other thing he's mentioned, he wanted us to make sure we covered as well, learning to do the presentation is important. So I want to keep these four up for a minute. We don't have to do the what is a sit down. All of us know what is a sit down. But just keeping this in mind, those that we're working with, all of us didn't have all of our teams on last night. We know it's just like herd and catch. You can't get everybody there. But just keep in mind, these are four objectives he wanted. So these are four things that might be a good idea that we have as we're launching this challenge this week, that we are helping to keep these in mind, that the people might not know how to book an appointment, how to do the presentation and close, and those various different things. So I'll leave that up for a moment in case there's someone that want to